Napilitang magbawas ng 462 mine site jobs ang Semirara Mining and Power Corporation, equivalent to 11% ng kanilang workforce, after reducing its 2026 coal production target by more than one-third from last year. Ang main reason is the uncertainty pa rin ng kanilang coal operating contract sa Semirara dahil sa patuloy na pagdidelay ng DOE sa COC bidding na initially scheduled noong April tapos na-move ngayon September naman daw. Kaya mahirap sa SMPC kung paano nila maplano ng maayos ang kanilang mining operations habang walang kasiguraduhan ang kanilang contract. Nagbawas din ng capital expenditures ang SMPC for its coal segment by 83%, down to just 800 million pesos this year. Ang sabi ng management, coal investments are being deferred pending the COC bidding. So habang patuloy na dinidelay ng DOE ang bidding, hindi lang shareholders ang naghihintay ng clarity, pati mga employees ng SMPC at kanilang families. Prior to this, nag-file din ng petition before the Regional Trial Court of Makati ang SMPC against the DOE, seeking protection from the DOE's directives, requiring SMPC to disclose proprietary data na gustong i-share ng DOE sa ibang COC bidders. SMC ang malakas na contender ng SMPC sa COC bidding. SMPC is the largest coal producer in the Philippines, accounting for around 97% of the country's coal production. It's one of the Philippines' most important domestic energy sources. Kaya any disruption sa coal production could have a significant impact on baseload power supply ng Pilipinas. Ang coal contract ng SMPC is set to expire on July 14, 2027 at hanggang ngayon wala pa ring clarity sa kontrata nila. Affected employees will be given separation benefits. Aside from their separation benefits, SMPC will also provide support through its Employee Assistance Program. Kasama dito ang possible redeployment within the DMCI group, financial literacy and skills training, livelihood and relocation support, and job placement assistance in the mining and energy sectors. Hopefully, these programs can help the affected employees and their families as they transition to their next chapter.